urbanization in India is going to increase in massive way in two ways. One is there will be a lot of people already migrating, and the expected migration, I think, in urbanization is expected to double over the next 20 years in India. So the idea is how do we do it in a sustainable manner? Cities green, the greening of the cities, and the facilities and all that are necessary for that, because otherwise it's going to be a huge challenge. It's already a challenge as we know today, and it's going to be an even bigger challenge. So the 2-day session was about how do we learn from Europe, and what can we learn and how can we learn from each other. So that's the idea. So this time I think it was about the greening cities. How sustainable cities atla build cheyalani. How do we build sustainable cities for India and for the future? Because we already have something like 53 cities with 1 million plus people, and which is going to increase over the next 20 years to something like 100. And so you can see the concentration of people is going to go up. So how do you provide facilities for them, power facilities, drainage facilities, and in a sustainable manner? I don't know if you saw news in the last 2 days about a city in China, how pollution is affecting China so much because of this massive urbanization. So how do we do that? So how do we build our cities to be sustainable for that? That's what the discussions were over the last 2 days, and I think some really interesting suggestions have come up. And what's come out, I think, majorly is that most of the solutions are already there in India, but we need a platform to exchange those ideas and thoughts on how to take it forward. So CII is very interested in this because this is about India, and sustaining this. So CII, through its various institutions and centers of excellence, is interested in making sure that the best practices are available and are possible, and we're looking at how do we get more information and knowledge on that and disseminate it so that people. So one of the things we are encouraging is building green buildings. I think after the Godrej Business Center is built, I think almost 20,000 buildings in India are now green certified buildings. And if you're talking of buildings, but if you're talking of square footage, it's huge. I think into crores of square feet. So which is important, most of these buildings over time are taking care of themselves. So that is important. So that's what CII is interested, so that to bring this into businesses also now. Yeah.